Strawberry pecan salad is a refreshing, sweet, and colorful side dish you can enjoy year-round. You're going to need some spring mix and spinach. Gently toss them in a large bowl. Greens are delicate, so try not to bruise them much. Then set them aside. Choose your plating. A low, large plate or a tray works best for this salad. Once you have decided on a plating, arrange greens to cover the entire tray or plate. Add sliced or cubed strawberries and top the greens with mandarin oranges. You can also use fresh mandarins. Soak them in sweet orange juice for about 30 minutes. Add sweet red grapes. For protein, grilled or balsamic chicken works best. Slice or cube it, it's up to you. Then arrange it on top of the greens. Sprinkle with feta cheese and candied pecans or walnuts. You can rearrange fruits as needed. I found these to be the best tools for that. The best dressing for the salad is strawberry vinaigrette or any citrus fruit dressing of your choice. Enjoy this recipe and I'll see you next time. Bye!